Burying the hatchet. A journey to forgiveness and peace. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase, bury the hatchet. This idiom is not just about words. It's about history, culture, and the universal theme of reconciliation. Stay with us as we uncover its origins, meanings, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Let's embark on this journey together and find out why to bury the hatchet means much more than putting a tool in the ground. The phrase, bury the hatchet, originates from a practice by Native American tribes, particularly in North America. When tribes decided to make peace after a period of conflict, they would literally bury a hatchet, a symbol of war, into the ground as a part of the peace ceremony. This act signified that both parties were willing to lay down their weapons and establish peace. Over time, this powerful symbol of reconciliation and the cessation of hostilities was adopted into the English language as an idiom, carrying the same spirit of resolving disputes and making peace. To bury the hatchet means to make peace with someone after a disagreement or conflict. It's about letting go of grudges, forgiving each other, and moving forward without any ill will. This phrase can be used in personal relationships, such as between friends or family members, as well as in professional contexts, where colleagues may need to overcome disputes to work together effectively. In personal conversations, I think it's time we bury the hatchet and move on from this argument. Life's too short to stay angry. In professional settings, despite our differences on the project, I believe it's in our best interest to bury the hatchet and collaborate for the team's success. In diplomatic discourse, the two nations are finally ready to bury the hatchet and work towards a peaceful future. This phrase is versatile and can be adapted to various contexts, emphasizing the importance of reconciliation and the willingness to start afresh. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, bury the hatchet. We've traveled from its historical origins with Native American peace ceremonies to its modern usage in everyday language. Understanding and using idioms like this not only enriches your English vocabulary but also helps you grasp the cultural nuances that make language learning so rewarding. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're inspired to bury any hatchets you might have and embrace peace and understanding in your relationships. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.